Alright guys, today we're going to be replacing the blower motor in my Civic. Amazon just delivered, hopefully, a blower motor. Alright. And that looks like a blower motor to me. Alright. So we're going to do a quick video here and I'm going to show you how to do this. Only takes maybe 5 minutes, if that. Alright, so we're going to come over here to the passenger side footwell of my car. Try to set up this little camera here so you guys hopefully can see what's going on. Okay, we have to remove this black plastic cover. It's real simple. There's a push tab, and a tab here. All we're going to do is pull these out. Remove this plastic tray. Hopefully you guys can see this. This here is the blower motor. There is 1, 2, 3 screws holding it in. Here's the plug. So you want to unplug it. There we go. And something else that I find very useful is one of these universal screwdrivers. You can pick these up like at any, I don't know, hardware store, whatever, Menards, Home Depot, Lowe's, whatever. So if you take the actual bit out, I think this is a 8mm socket now. And if you take a look, it fits right on there. So we're just going to remove these 3 screws. See if I can get the camera to sit in a position you guys can watch. Here's one. Where are we going here? You can also just use a flathead screwdriver, but I find this bit to be a whole lot easier. And you also want to hold the actual blower motor so it doesn't fall out. Okay, and just like that, the whole unit drops down. Hopefully you guys are able to see this. Here's the old one. And here's our brand new one from Amazon. At the time of making this video, I think this was $39 delivered on Prime, with Prime. For me, it showed up in 1 day. Obviously, depending on your location, 1 or 2 days it'll show up. But here in Cincinnati, it's 90-degree weather, and I want this as quickly as possible. So it's very simple. Here's where the airflow is. We're going to put this back in the exact same location. Oops. Sorry about that, my head hit the camera. You want to start these little screws by hand. Okay, got them all started. Okay, there's that one. Yeah, I'll even put a link to one of these universal screwdrivers. They're only a couple bucks. Like I said, You can pick them up just about anywhere, and they're so handy. I keep them in like a junk drawer in my kitchen. Work around the house, work here on car stuff as well, especially if you have a Honda or Toyota. There's quite a few uses for them. Okay, plug back in. Let me move this back and we'll try to get this cover back on. I should probably test it, make sure everything's good first. Okay. There we go. Now, please give me some air conditioning. Yes. My fan is working. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Back to having air conditioning. There was nothing, I mean, my air conditioning was working fine. Just the fan stopped blowing and I had no airflow. And obviously when you don't have a fan blowing, you need it. Here we go, thank goodness. Alright guys, if you have any questions, I'm more than glad to try to help you out, walk you through this, answer your questions for you. If you need a little video to go along with, just reach out to me and I'll do this all for you. But guys, thank you for watching my channel. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. All I can say is thanks.